Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? You okay, buddy? You okay? I think the road's over here. Are you feeling a little down today, buddy, because of all the snow? I don't blame you. I'll help you out. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I hope he can straighten back out. Yeah, you're a 15-foot tall tree. Well, that's getting better. There, that makes you feel better, huh? Plowing, plowing. Bang, bang, bang off the rocks. Well, there's trees laying over the road. You know what I'm gonna do? No, you're not gonna do it, are ya? Yeah, I am. Because that's what I do. It's actually on Dad's property, so. Oh. Maybe I'll leave that one standing and try to take the smaller ones here. If I only had a chainsaw. Let's try this again. Wonder if I did it that way, the plow's higher. There we go. Whoop! That one hit my light. Ooh, just about broke off my guide there. Ready? Here we go again. Who needs a skidder when you got a snowplow? Now we can continue on with our normal plowing activities. Well, this snow made a mess. So now we got a red pine laying over the road here. You see him? This guy. Oofta. Oofta! There's a Minnesota thing. He's, God, that's about a 4-inch diameter tree. I'm gonna have a hard time. Oh, sorry. I gotta do a better job of filming. I'm trying to pay attention to a couple of different things here. Maybe if I just knock the snow off him, it'll help straighten him up, but I'm trying to catch right with the corner of the plow. Oh! It turns out I can push him a little. Well, I might as well finish him off, huh? He wasn't gonna live anyway. Well, down on the ground now. Not quite. Let's see if I can come up towards the top here and break the top off. Use that tree as a... There it went. Oh! Well, yeah, I should have known that was going to happen. Should have known. Okay, so I snapped him off there. Knocked all the snow off that tree. Yeah, that was an ugly tree anyway. All right. Well, this is kind of cool. Oh, I was trying to get a video of Bill trying to get up that hill. Slippery road. I went in and out with the pickup a few times to try to get some dirt exposed. Because this is the kind of snow that just packs right into ice immediately. Well, oh, my pickup's not a skidder. But sometimes I think it is. There it went. Now if I get back out of here. Come on, girl. Oh, good thing I put them new tires on. Well, I see a jack pine there that's leaning over the road. Might as well get him. I'm gonna try. Oh, boy. I'm gonna turn the plow. I got her turned and raised all the way up. Let's just... Ooh, there's two of them there, actually. It's collapsing my plow. Let's try it again. There they went. Not happy till I wreck something, I suppose. Let's try that. They're off the road now. Oh, another one? Why not? This one's a tag alder, or alder. I'm down in the ditch here. I'm kind of fighting that. Let's see. Oh, that's what's going on. I'm fighting a big clump. Uh-oh. Let's try this again. That worked. I gotta come up here and get some last dab of firewood. That's why I gotta clean this out. I'll just wing it off to the side here. That works. I suppose you can't tell how far that white pine limb, it's hanging out just about to the white line. And the most impressive part about it, it's coming from that tree back there. That is a long, long limb. And all that snow on it, I can't believe it doesn't break off. So this is a different angle of that limb. Look at how far out over the road it is. And it's coming off that tree way back in there. Wow. Crazy. Uh-oh. This little guy's feeling a little down today too. But he's white pine. I can't take... Maybe I'll just cover that stuff. Really? Thanks, Adam. I didn't know I was such a likable guy. But thanks for the bulbs.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.